Welcome to this unboxing of the B150M PRO-VDH motherboard from MSI. So it's a DDR4 very low budget motherboard, and let's open it up. Here it is. Let's just see what else we have in here. We have the cover, two SATA cables, an optical disc, very retro, and some instructions. Thank you for choosing MSI. This is how you set up a CPU, and this is a lot of other stuff. Let's just take a real quick look inside. Beautiful. Can't wait to put it in my new computer. And here are the outputs. 4 USB 3, 2 USB 2, 3 standard audio, 3 standard video, PS2 network. Place for 4 RAM bars, 1 graphics card, 2 small PCI Express . So let's see. I'm just aligning the holes for now. The back panel. Oops. Come on now. Yep, there we go. Alright. Now we can put in the mainboard. But hey, that's what you want. That's what you get if you want a small, not too powerful computer which doesn't produce too much heat and too much noise. You gotta work with small stuff. All right. Oh, let's see. Okay, so let's take a look at the outside. Yeah, I think this looks fine and dandy. Not shaking or anything. Alright, I hope this gives you the right feel for this motherboard. And that it helps you pick the right one for yourself. Have fun building computers, eh?